Will a US Bitcoin reserve bill send BTC beyond $120,000? Is Ethereum's Fusaka upgrade the trigger for a $5,000 breakout? Could the Fed surprise markets with a 50 BPS rate cut? All that and much more in today's Coin Monitor. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And now, let's get started. Bitcoin climbed 2.45% to $114,121 after US lawmakers introduced a bill mandating a treasury-backed Bitcoin reserve within 90 days funded by seized assets, while record $7.26 trillion in US money market funds highlights potential capital rotation into BTC if Fed rate cuts arrive. Ethereum rose 2.6% to $4,417 on bullish ETF inflows, whale accumulation and anticipation of the Fusaka upgrade. The global crypto market cap hit $3.96 trillion, up 2.09% in 24 hours, with majors including XRP, BNB, Sol, Doge, TRX, ADA, Hype, Link, Sui and LTC advancing 2 to 5% as softer than expected PPI data boosted bets on aggressive Fed easing, with speculation mounting over a possible 50 BPS cut at next week's FOMC. Among altcoins, Avalanche surged 7% to $28.7 after Bitwise filed for spot AVAX ETF alongside a 58% jump in RWA volumes and a record 35.8 million C-chain transactions in August. Mantle exploded 21% to $1.66 after Bybit and Mantle unveiled a roadmap expanding collateral utility, 20-plus spot pairs and options trading echoing BNB's growth trajectory. Pump rallied 12% to $0.0058 as Pump.Fun executed $19.3 million buybacks since August, reclaiming 62% of Solana Launchpad revenue with 38,000 daily users and 25% of fees funneled into buybacks, cementing momentum. Say rose 5% to $0.3246 as the network activity hit records with 1.3 million plus daily transactions, $570 million TVL and $160 million USDC minted post-Circle integration. With 200,000 TPS and sub-400 millisecond finality, Say's trading-focused design is boosting demand for Say as both a gas token and staking asset. Sky jumped 5.5% to $0.073 as exchange migration deadlines, including Bitwawo's September 18 MKR to Sky Swap, accelerated conversions. A 17.32 million Sky buyback funded by 1.39 million USDS further tightened supply, fueling bullish momentum despite neutral broader market sentiment. Lido DAO gained 6% to $1.26 as TVL reached a record $41 billion on Ether's rally and institutional staking, with SEC clarity easing securities fears and Ether-linked alt momentum driving flows. Pendle climbed 6% to $5 after 900,000 tokens moved to Binance, sparking speculation around liquidity and partnerships, while TVL rebounded to $9.32 billion and the launch of Boros extended its derivatives footprint into BTC ETH funding markets. Meanwhile, US spot crypto ETFs logged robust inflows on September 10th, with the BTC ETFs pulling $741.5 million and Ether ETFs adding $171.5 million. Looking ahead, tomorrow's CPI release is the final key data point before the Fed's decision. With inflation stable and labor market weakness deepening, Powell's dovish tone plus soft PPI data fuel expectations of a labor market-driven pivot, potentially opening the door for a 50 BPS cut. Well, that's all in this episode of the Coin Monitor. This is Miruchi Sharma signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.